Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this leopard look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy this video. So to start off, I'm using Mayron Makeup Paradise Paints. I'm using a mixture of white and brown for my entire face, and then I'm doing some eyes on top of my eyelids, so when my eyes are closed it looks like the leopard's eyes are open. I'm just using green, and then I'm going to be outlining in black, get that nice cat eye shape. For the nose, I'm just using a pinkish peach shade and coloring the tip of my nose in and a little bit below my nose near my cupid's bow. Now I'm taking a darker brown and I am putting that on the sides of my nose where I want my cat nose to be, and then I'm just doing little paint strokes, and I'm using different colors for the paint strokes. This look has a lot of layering, so I'm going to keep going back and forth with different colors to add depth to the fur. I also go back and outline my nose with some black paint and draw a little line in the middle. So the whole time I'm doing this look, I'm looking at a reference picture of a leopard the entire time. Right here I'm just mapping out where I want the muzzle to be with some black paint, and then I'm going in and layering more colors in there. Now I'm going to be taking more black and doing some detailing, so I'm putting these little spots where the whiskers would come out of near the mouth. Looking at a reference picture again, I am putting in the leopard prints all over the face in different shapes and sizes. Back to the nose, I go in and shade the edges of the nose to make it more realistic. And now I'm going in with some white body paint, and I am adding some highlights into the face, mainly around the muzzle. And then I am taking black and I am blacking out that jaw space right there. For the chest, I'm laying down some of the same colors that I use on my face, and then I'm going with the black and putting more of those leopard prints in different shapes and sizes. Going back to the face, I put on some whiskers with some white paint, and then I highlight in the eyes, and then I highlight in the center of the chest as well with some white paint and add some more spots. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any new Halloween tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!